Today, gold finally gave the push or the move that at least every good year is expecting, because if we start the year with no moves in the first 3 months, we can expect at least another 3-4 months of range, if not the rest of the year. So this is good news for long-term traders or for swing traders, because as we can see, I use some demo accounts as a guide or as explorers, I like to call them. So if we review this account, we have a very good position buy and draw them for the sell side liquidity. So this means we are counter trending and we are trending buy side, right? So I have a position at 2004 with the buys, and my first order for sales would be at 2036. So let me just verify real quick. 24 and 36. Okay, so we have a very interesting range, because I've been reading a lot of stuff in social media about the break of the all-time high, which is a big lie. I don't know why people tend to say that dumb things. Like, you can just go to the chart and put a basic line here and you'll see that the all-time high is way higher than the one that we're currently in. This is the daily chart, so really don't expect someone to tell you that the all-time high is broke or near the area of breaking the high, because first of all, it's not like every time gold breaks all-time high, and the situation with the USA, it's supposed to be stable, and with the rates and all of those triggers that are affecting currently or were affecting the USA economy, well, it's supposed to be in recovery stage, or at least in the rangy phase, but something is going on that every pair is trending against the USD dollars strength, we could say. So this is a very big lie. Let's go to the, I have here some evidence, we could say. I need to search for the statements of the accounts, but pretty much the all-time high that I have quoted, that I sold, or that I was able to sell, the highest point was 21.43. This is a very good price, but it's not the all-time high. I think it's 46, something like that. Also depends a lot on the broker, but we could safely say that it's around 46 and 43 area. So we have a long way yet for the all-time high to be broke. And also we need to remind ourselves, well, it's gold and we expect it to be bullish and to be gaining value over time, but in this case the overall panorama was already bullish. So in reality we're just looking at a very standard move. It's already very bullish, micro and macro, but here we are in reversal zone, so we consider this as the major macro area to break. If not, just expect the price to heavy retrace to the, at least to the 2030 area, and then we'll gain 2000s area fast, because it's the area gold loves. So I was able to finish another FTMO trial, the 5% target, in 9 days. I will break down this account. As you can see, I was able to get out around this time before the push, because I was also selling. I was counter trending. Actually my best trade was this one. It was a sell at 87 around this area. It price retrace a little bit and I was out. Perfect timing for me to finish the account. I think the trial is only 14 days, so 9 days is my average. I will break down this account later in a video, just for everyone to see what's the strategy and what I'm working, because it needs a little bit more optimization, but at this point it's already better than any other strategy or trader that is trying to sell you something. So maybe you will learn something from what I'm building. And for now, this will be all the updates for Xauusd. It's a very good moment for long-term strategies, or to drop some algos and start positioning yourself in. If you're going to buy the trend, well, hold it. But if you're going to start counter trending, start positioning yourself smart. I'm going to start positioning myself maybe at, I don't know if I'm waiting for the all-time high. I really want to start trading, because the last time I traded my long-term portfolio was December 23, that time that I actually this push when gold broke the all-time high. So I want to trade again. This is the main income, or my main portfolio, so it has the biggest percentage of my whole money. So I need this to start working. I had it a little bit slower and in the sideline, just to finish the optimization of the general and overall strategy and the code. So I feel this is the perfect time for everyone or anyone to start trading and to start some algo. So take that in mind.